This week in Maths, we will be learning how to subtract numbers within 10. Over the next week in Maths, your child will learn lots of different words for the sign subtract. The children will also use lots of different things to help them learn how to subtract, like cubes, bead strings, Numicon, number bond spaceships, crossing out and number lines. We will learn how to subtract by learning 3 different methods. Method 1, by crossing out. Method 2, using the number bond spaceships. And lesson 3, by counting back. Your child will learn lots of different words for the sign subtract, including subtract, less, leave, take away, minus, and difference between. One method your child will learn is subtraction by crossing out. We can subtract by crossing out pictures. When we subtract, we learn that the number normally gets smaller unless we subtract 0. Here we can see there are 7 ladybirds. The number sentence is 7 subtract 2. Using the crossing out method, 2 ladybirds are crossed out, leaving 5 ladybirds left. Here are some number sentences and pictures. Your child will learn how to subtract by crossing out. Here are 6 apples. Take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 1. 6 take away 5 leaves 1. Another subtraction method your child will learn during the week is by using the number bond spaceships. Your child will be familiar with these as we used these when we were adding numbers. Here, the number sentence is 9 subtract 3. There are 9 toys. 3 of the toys are robots. The question asks, how many are there left? How many aeroplanes are there? To work out the answer, the children will use either cubes. So here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cubes. Taking away 3, 1, 2, 3 leaves the answer, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The missing number in the number bond spaceship would be 6. Your child may also choose to subtract this number sentence by crossing out, which they learnt from the previous lesson. So they could cross out the 3 robots to count how many aeroplanes are left. Also, some children may use a number line and count back, starting on 9, counting back 3 jumps, 1, 2, 3, landing on the answer 6. We can also subtract using Numicon. Here, the number sentence is 5 minus 4. By putting the Numicon on top, you can see how many are left. The answer is 1. The final method taught in the week will be subtract by counting back. We can teach the children to count back using bead strings. And we will also teach the children how to count back using a number line. Here it is showing that there are 8 books all together, and it wants you to subtract 3. Using a number line starting on 8, you can jump back 1, 2, 3, landing on the answer 5. I will show you now how we can use bead strings to count back. Using bead strings to show the answer 8 subtract 3, first the children will need to select 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now they will take away 3 by counting back. 8, 7, 6, 5. The answer is 5. By the end of this week, your child will have learnt lots of different ways to subtract numbers within 10.